Welcome! Today I'm going to show how you can combine videos on iPhone. So to start, you will need to find and launch the App Store. Inside the App Store, look for the iMovie app. That is the app designed and developed by Apple. So if you would rather not use third-party apps on your iPhone, here you have nothing to worry about. On the App Store app page, if that's your first time installing or downloading the iMovie app, instead of this cloud icon, you'll have the Get button. So tap on it, confirm purchase by inputting your passcode, or by either inputting your passcode or Face ID check. But if you have installed this app in the past, you'll have this little cloud icon like me, which will not require any additional authentication. So you can just tap on it, and now just allow some time for this app to be downloaded and installed. Apparently there is something real wrong with my Wi-Fi connection, since the download process of this app should not take 2 minutes. It should take way less than that. But well, what choice do we have? I guess I can try switching up the Wi-Fi network and selecting another faster Wi-Fi connection. So let me quickly do that off camera, but if not, I will simply wait for the app to be downloaded and installed. So since once again, from this point on, no additional action from your end is required. So just once the app will be installed, you will simply be able to start using it. So let's wait for that. So now we can finally launch the iMovie app. Here, tap the Continue button, then grant the application with all essential permissions, such as gallery access, as well as media access. Now start a new project, select Movie, and then choose 2 videos you would like to combine from your gallery. Once they are chosen, tap Create Movie. And here you have it. Both of them has been combined successfully. You can now select those, or you should be able to select those videos separately, move them around, cut them, and just from here, split it where you'd like. Once again, move the video around, swap places, and so on. Just edit the video, and once it is ready to be exported, press the Done button, tap at the Share button here, select Export, or actually if you would like to save it as a project file, select Export Project, or if you would like to simply save it as a new video to your gallery or files, select Save or Share Video. Now once again, you will need to choose to save video to your gallery or save it to files. Let's export it directly to the Photos app, wait until it gets exported all the way, and here you have it. Now if I were to launch the Photos app, you'll see that this combined video can be found right over here. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.